Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 9T, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So actually we've got two different ways to do that. We can do it directly from our contact list and from the dialer settings. Of course, I will show you both options. So let's begin with the shorter one, the easier one. So let's enter the dialer and go to your contact list. Now let's find the contact you'd like to block, so for example this one. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and simply tap on block. Now your device is asking if you really want to do it, so let's tap on OK. And since now this number is blocked, so we won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from it. Of course, you can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on unblock, but let me leave it like this because I want to check if it will appear on the black list. Now let's get back and let me show you another option to block a contact. All you have to do is go to the dialer and tap on the settings in the right upper corner also. Here we've got a block list, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got quite a lot of options connected to the blocking someone and the blacklist. Firstly, you can actually totally turn off the blacklist just by tapping on the switcher right here. And here you can also the blacklist text messages, calls. Under it, we've got the manage blacklist. So here we've got actually the blacklist. We've got the exceptions, so you can allow calls and messages from specific numbers. And we've got additional settings. So here we've got the blacklist notifications from all numbers. We can set also non-blocklist numbers or never, but let me focus on the blocked numbers. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, and here we've got two numbers which have been blocked from our contact list. And obviously you can block a number from this level also. Just tap on this plus icon, and here we've got another three options to choose from. We can add a phone number manually, we can add prefix, or add the numbers from contacts. So I think I will show you again the contacts, because this way is a little bit different than the previous one, and how to add it manually. So let me tap on add a contacts, and as you can see, we have been transferred to our contact list. And here we've got the difference between this option and the previous one, because right now we can add a lot of numbers to our blacklist, so you don't have to do it one by one, but you can just mark them and then add them to the blacklist. Just tap on OK. And here your device is asking if you'd like to block text messages and calls, and if you'd like to, just tap on OK. And as you can see, those numbers immediately appear on the blacklist. What's more, as I said, we can add the phone number manually. Just tap here, and we don't want to tap to speak. And here we've got the keypad, so we can freely enter the number. Here we can decide if you'd like to block text messages and block calls, or for example only block calls. It's up to you how you want to set it. And if you are ready, just remember to tap on this tick icon, and as you can see, it appeared right here on the blacklist. So it means that we successfully blocked it, and you won't receive any incoming calls in this case. So actually this is how to add the numbers to the blacklist, and in order to unblock them, just tap on it and hold it. And as you can see, now we can mark all of those which we'd like to delete from the blacklist. So let me unblock all of them and just tap on delete. As you can see, your device is asking you if you really want to do it, so just tap on remove, and from now on the blacklist is empty. So it means that from now on you will receive all incoming calls and all text messages from those numbers. So actually that's all. This is how to block a number in your Xiaomi Mi 9T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.